And here is the STUDER A827 with its lovely new pinch roller. I would replace this old thing. This is the original pinch roller that you can see it's become a lovely green goo, suffering from what is known as a spontaneous STUDER pinch roller meltdown. Replaced with this. Let's just hit the play and see if it still functions. Jolly good. A few adjustments had to be made to it to get it to work and nice and reliably. This is a 320 nanoweber test tape lined up for a high dynamic tape that's lined up for a 499 playback level. As you can see, the meters are all reading nice and steady, including number 24 at 1K. Alright, that's the supplied reels. The other supplied reel is right over here. This is the remote. Rewind, stop, and play. Okay, and here's some the 10-inch reel, about I think 8 or 9 meters of cable. There's the remote cable, and that's the machine working. Hope that helps. Any questions, please feel free. Oh, by the way, the hours clock, just to verify, the hours clock is right there. Hope that helps. Once again, the STUDER A827 with a new pinch roller. Thank you for watching.